Yeah, welcome back to my channel. So I've been waiting to do this for a really long time. It's my heritage DNA test. I know some people said that this is a scam. I'm not gonna listen to those people. So, yeah, and then too, some people just say stuff to put fear in you, So I don't know. I caught it on sale. Last year when I wanted to do it, it was like $100. So a year later, I caught it on sale for Father's Day for like $30. So I said I was gonna do it, and here we are. So I ordered my kit. It took about a week and a half to come. So this is what it looks like on the outside. And you open it up. DNA kit activation reminder. Activate your DNA kit before sending back your sample. So, comes with this little card. I get to get my activation code on the back of it, and the person who's getting tested. That's gonna be me. What y'all think? I got so many different opinions. Somebody said I look like I'm from Ethiopia. And that's probably talking about my hair. It's my hair day. I'm about to go get my hair done, but whatever. People have their, I don't know. Y'all tell me what y'all think. I wonder. I keep saying black and Mexican. My kids like, Mom, you get on my nerves. So the booklet, and then it tells you to activate your kit. Do not skip this step. It is necessary to get your results. Open the test kit and lay out the unopened swab and vials on a clean surface. Step 1. So it comes with this. I don't know what this is. When I figure it out, I'll tell you. I'm assuming I'm going to put something in there. It comes with an envelope, which is, I thought they said that this was, I got a buy stamp. What in? Yeah, it comes with the envelope. You ship it in. And comes with the swabs. I think those swabs, yeah, those are swabs. So you get 2 of those. And these are the vials. So I'm going to be doing this step by step. Let me move this so y'all can see a little. Oop, one fell out. Get back in there. You messed my results up. So, up, fell out again. Lay it on a clean surface. I'm going to just lay that down right there. So I get everything out. It says, open the test kit and lay out the, I know if I did that. Remove 1 cheek swab from the wrapper and use this swab head to scrape the inside of one of your cheeks while twisting the swab for 30 to 60 seconds. So, got my swab. And what I'm going to put this in before I do that? Open one valve and insert the swab inside the swab. And down. Okay. Can't open this. That's how you be in the grocery store. You can't open something. Gosh. This is irritating. I'm about to cut it. And my battery is getting low. I didn't want to do this ahead of time because I wanted y'all to be able to see it. Okay. So, that took a while, right? Take the swab. I'm sorry, I'm not going to stick nothing in my mouth without smelling it. Might be some on it. Ain't nothing on it though. So you take the swab, open the valve up, insert, side and down, Lord, let these results come out right, even if they have intent for to do this falsely. Because I want to know. Always. It's been a minute. No, so actually get all of it because I guess everybody spits different. Oh. Now this is good enough. So then I pop this off and put it in here. Right. Swab it down. Let's spill a bit of gravity. Break the swab against it. Okay, so that's one. Close the valve tightly. Swab the other cheek with the second swab. So this one, other side. So all they're using is spit. Same thing. Make sure the valve catch our covers tight. Try to make sure they're super accurate. Okay. Okay, they put it in here, pop it off, and tighten the valve up. Make this joint real tight. So I don't know where they gotta go, but I want everything to be in here, Jesus. Lord, make sure the results come back. Don't let these people lie to me, Lord. Okay, then so make sure the valves are closed tightly, which is what I just did. Place both valves on the cotton pad in the plastic bag and close the Ziploc bag. So I'm putting them in here, or no? So maybe it's just to make sure that they and close. Over here. And then it says, take the air out, seal the, close this up, and roll this one upside. Lord, make sure you where it need to be. Woo, bless the hands, bless the results. Don't let these people lie to me, because you know how seriously I want to know my results. So close this up, put it in there. And then that's it. I'm going to put this in the mail. I'm excited. I'm going to let y'all know.